money is still coming. That will start.
Okay. Two big boys. From UK. Where is your parents?
Room 18.
Room 18. Okay, yeah, room 18. I need people out here.
Yeah.
Wonderful. I promise to see them, right? When? Friday. Tomorrow is what?
Friday.
I want to see you. God bless you. Close the door because of mosquito. Why your TV is not on? You're not used to it?
Studying.
Wow. God bless you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Dina, when you only have one.
Amen.
You know my man.
Amen.
From the UK, right?
No,
You okay in America? God bless you. They move to Texas branch.
Yes, Texas, and we got their own. But Texas, and we got their own.
Don't worry. One of them. I'll be happy tonight. I hope tomorrow. Dina, we are no, but don't even.
Oh, well,
Let me annoy them.
very, very happy to see you again, sir.
That is it. May the Lord bless you.
Thank you, sir.
So for you, I will see you, as I said,
Tomorrow.
we hope so.
Thank you.
They paid, but they are not here. You can pay and leave it.
Oh. Where is the mom?
Look at mommy.
Sorry.
Jehovah bụ Chineke, Jehovah bụ Chineke ụwa niile. Ụmụ ụwa gbakọta Albert, bring this family and that's who I mentioned.
Okay.
Bring them tomorrow, being Friday. Most, I will see them.
Okay, sir.
No problem.
Daddy, child. I couldn't stand up there and let that.
Happy and only detail. May God bless all of you. So bad there, I will see all of you tomorrow. All of you, Yadima. Tomorrow, you're my man. Thank you, man. Thank you. My phone.
Mommy, you have a special visitor.
Oh, Daddy.
Hey, oh my goodness. Oh, my friend, how are you? Stand up, don't do that. So how are you?
I'm good.
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Oh, are you still loving Zion the way you do before?
Yes, I am.
Are you sure?
I am.
What of the girl you want to marry?
She'll be coming probably on the 28th.
She'll be coming on 28th.
Yes.
Is the love increasing or decreasing?
It should be increasing.
It should be increasing. I need to ask you because I'm not the one in love. You are the one in love, so I should ask you. So how is Jesus Christ? How is he doing?
Good.
God bless you. Don't worry, don't worry. Your marriage is so sensitive.
Daddy,
And I will be part of it.
yes.
I had a dream last night that did not go well.
You have dream?
Yes,
Yeah.
something bad, right?
One that had you in it, but was a good dream, and one that had people with black, very dark eyes.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's part of it. Whenever you are coming closer to God, the devil will keep attacking, but they will succeed. See you when she arrives.
Yeah.
God bless you, I love you.
One of me, you always pay him attention.
Why would I pay him? Why would you pay him more than him?
Hello.
How are you? You want to go? Chukwuka Neri. I bet he's there. Don't worry.
Nobody's there, sir.
Come on, tell us.
They've paid and reserved.
Otito Miraya Oburuwa Usobum. Where did you come from?
From Enugu.
Enugu. God bless you people. Well, out of Enugu.
Yeah, from Delta State, she from Enugu.
Kanu, from Delta.
Yes.
So you came from Delta or you?
I came from Delta, but I'm working for my madam. My madam is this something.
Okay, she's coming.
The one you saw me now.
I can't remember when I saw.
It's the big girl of 14 years. Oma. He came from Ohio.
Where are they now?
They're in the 11. You met out there.
When? Today?
Yes. No.
Not long ago.
I can't
Second
remember.
floor.
May the Lord preserve you.
Yeah.
So this room is rented by. God bless you. Irobo. Ijo. Special room service.
Daddy, whoa, that's I'm going to give you.
God
Like
bless
you. Daddy, thank you.
Oh, my American, right?
Yes, sir.
No. The room is, this one is shared. Other ones are
Thank you.
open there.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you. My husband, they got a whole lot today. All that
I will see two of you.
Yes, sir.
Big boy.
Say, Daddy.
He will be all right.
Yes,
Are you the one that get prophecy, right?
yes.
He will be right.
Okay.
Watch and see. The development will start gently, gradually.
Okay, Daddy.
You will have reason to do it.
Amen. Daddy, I can go him all in the church.
I say this way, can you need no headquarters for the
Thank
franchise?
you, sir. Thank you. Amen. Thank you.
Ebuka Obi.
Just go to that gentleman.
Maybe this person is not around. Where is it? This is not the one time.
No. This is to 11. Somebody that went out on their way back. It's to 11. Where's in the lock the still gate?
Albert, room service.
Oh,
Daddy.
God bless you.
Daddy. No camera. No camera.
No camera?
Yeah. For now.
Excuse.
I'll show you something.
Fear not, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed. I'm your God. I will strengthen you. Yeah. Minister of God. Help me with my right hand. Isaiah 41 verse 10.
It's Boxing Day, guys. Has everyone unpacked their gifts?
Sister, don't joke with this AC. Today.
Yeah, we will.
If you like, I'll wait.
Ifo nanya nanya nanya. Yo koko. Hey, Ifraya, the only daughter. Only daughter.
Hey.
God bless you, people.
Hey.
God bless you, UK people. Your daughter looks like you. She's fair like you. Do you attend UK branch program? I've not seen your face.
I was there.
I don't see your face.
She hasn't come back. She came back on the 17th or 18th.
How do you manage to get here? It's always difficult to get room here in this hotel. How do you, which bride do you go to?
No, we didn't.
Tell me the truth. Which bride do you go to?
No.
Because I'm supporting some workers here. Because it's always difficult to get room.
This time, it was booked on that Sunday we arrived.
Because there was no rooms at first.
Yeah, that Sunday. Because I called, they said it must be on that day that I'm coming. So I have my sister that is in the hostel.
Maybe you bribe somebody.
No, Daddy.
You want to tell me something? You don't want camera. I'll take the camera off.
Daddy.
Hungry.
Yes, thank you for watching this video. Now, watch the next video I will post, because you know say this video is very long. The video is very long, so I'm cutting it short. So watch the next video. You will see how Evangelist Ebuka Obi visited people in South African hotel and pray for them. So this one, we call this one surprise visitation. Yes, divine visitation, because those people were there from hotel. They believe that Evangelist Ebuka Obi will come and see them. Though they may see others on social media how Evangelist Ebuka Obi, they come and visited other people where they for hotel, they pray for them, but they don't know the thing will reach their turn that day. So watch the next video. Thank you and God bless you.